Are you suffering from kidney disease? If so, you're not alone. Kidney damage affects millions of people worldwide. But don't worry, we have some powerful Ayurvedic home remedies that can help you naturally restore your kidney health. 1. Let's start with a simple yet effective remedy, lemon juice. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of water and drink it first thing in the morning. The citric acid in lemon helps to prevent kidney stones and detoxify your kidneys. 2. Next up, we have coriander seeds. Boil 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds in 2 cups of water, then strain and drink it once it cools down. This infusion can help flush out toxins from your kidneys and improve their functioning. 3. Moving on to our third remedy, ginger. Take a small piece of ginger, crush it, and boil it in a cup of water. Drink this ginger tea twice a day to reduce inflammation and promote kidney health. 4. Our fourth remedy is the holy basil or tulsi leaves. Chew a few basil leaves on an empty stomach every morning or drink a cup of basil tea. The antioxidants in holy basil can protect your kidneys from damage caused by pollutants and toxins. 5. Let's not forget about fenugreek seeds. Soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach. This remedy can help cleanse your kidneys and improve their overall function. 6. Now, let's talk about marshmallow root. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried marshmallow root in a cup of hot water for about 10 minutes. Drink this herbal tea a few times a day to soothe and protect your kidneys. 7. Last but not least, we have turmeric. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk. Drink this golden milk before bedtime to reduce inflammation and promote healing in your kidneys. Remember, these remedies are not a substitute for medical treatment, so consult your doctor before trying them. By incorporating these Ayurvedic home remedies into your daily routine, you can naturally restore your kidney health and live a happier, healthier life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.